Welcome back to Display Wall, everybody. Today we're just gonna do a mixed bag of random packs. Obviously we got a little bit more battle styles that we still had left, but let's get into it.
It's a pack.
Alrighty, so we're just gonna put her packs aside, my packs aside, and we're just gonna, without looking, just grab.
Random.
Yeah.
Random opening.
Yes.
Okay. What are you opening?
Battle styles.
Okay, we should tell them that you're opening that. Because they don't know.
I'm opening the Rapid Strike battle styles. Happy?
You
Happy?
need to talk
You
about your
happy?
artwork. Yeah.
Happy?
Very happy.
You happy?
Very happy.
Okay.
Okay.
Is it so they know or you know?
Both.
Okay.
I'm the one that has to put them aside and keep them together so I can put them away.
What do you say? You don't put it away, I'll put it away.
I'm the one that sits here for like 2 hours after we're done with each opening and puts them away.
She's lying. It's glitchy.
Doesn't mean the video is. Just because our...
I know.
My phone's just being slow and showing it is.
Energy!
Bruxish! You're kind of out of frame. Up. Not down. Sorward and Schubert, right there. Okay. Spearow. Sizzlepede. Shinx. Cacnea. Pawniard. Glammeow. Drampa. Oh.
Just use that there. The reverse hollow is just put it there for now. Don't tell me no.
I'm opening evolutions. Apparently.
Here we go again. Remember, it's
3. I know. Okay.
Don't.
Is it upside
Nope.
down? No,
Yes.
Damn it. I don't know with these anymore. Dang it!
3.
I got confused because I got upset.
Doesn't really matter, does it?
No.
Oh, there we
Oh, okay. Whoa.
go. Whoa, what?
This is a secret rare.
Yes.
We have the one with just the regular Doduo, but not...
No, we got.
We don't have this one.
Oh.
With the...
Yeah. Okay.
I didn't even know that existed.
Really?
Really?
Uh-huh.
Okay, well that's a good pull. A Haunter. Blastoise Spirit Link. Sandshrew. Weedle. Tangela. Ponyta. Doduo. Brock's Grit. And a Beedrill. I guess that was a good pull. That's a card we don't have.
It's a single strike Urshifu
Okay.
artwork.
That says.
I'm having issues today.
Like always.
My nails don't work today. It's their day off.
My brain doesn't work today. It's my day off. Shushy.
Well, I wasn't gonna say anything.
Yeah, you work.
What was I gonna say?
My brain never works.
Exactly. See, I don't have to say it. You just knew.
Because I've been married to you for almost 6 years. Yeah, 6 years in November.
Yeah.
Energy.
Oh, boy, is it painful.
Rapid Strike Energy. Camping Gear. Seadra. Esper. Blipbug. Houndour. Silicobra. Lickitung. Reverse Hollow Octillery. And a Tapu Bulu.
Hollow.
Hollow Tapu Bulu.
Hollow.
Oh, sleeve it up.
They're waiting.
Yeah, I'm gonna open my battle styles too, apparently.
Apparently.
Just grabbing mine in random orders. Shut up.
You were saying? Do you need help?
No. I got it.
Okay.
Good, good. Blade, Shiro, Rapid Strike Energy, Depig, Honedge, Electabuzz, Baltoy, Gligar, Reverse Hollow Galarian Slowpoke, and a Crobat. Hello.
Don't think we got that. We do?
Yeah.
Damn, we got everything, don't we? I mean, I got everything.
I'm going to hold them all.
And back.
Your Vividoltage?
Yes, I think. Maybe.
Yeah.
Ups.
Upside down? I didn't even see it, so I don't know if this is good or bad.
What do you think?
Disappointed. I don't know. I did get that error pack where it was green, but I gotta.
Yeah, that's you. That's never me.
Fair. Energy. Swoobat. Loudred. Zebstrika. Weedle. Drillbur. Clefairy. Wailmer. You're upset. Dynamo. Reverse Hollow Beldum.
And a...
Xerneas. So it was a...
Yeah, it was a white code card.
We already have a Xerneas then.
I just had to...
Mess with me?
Yeah.
I don't care. I don't care what you get, as long as I get something good. I don't care.
Go.
Oh,
Go.
bitch.
Oh.
No,
You should grab the scissor, honey.
They're next to you. Oh,
I said you should.
dang it!
I said you should grab it.
Okay, well. I struggle with the pack and then I spoil everything.
Yeah, that's why.
Energy. Careless. Dusclops. Electric. Seedot. Riolu. Chimicho. Mincata.
Bolt up.
Reverse Hollow Riolu. And a Flareon! We don't have that one.
We don't?
No.
Oh, yeah.
So I will happily take that. Go on.
I'm going. We got a battle staff.
Another battle stuff.
Yeah, well, we got a lot of them.
I know.
So I just grabbed a bunch of stuff out
I
of the
know.
box. And obviously the battle stalls were right at the bottom.
Yeah, I know.
You saw something, didn't you?
Yeah. I did.
Okay.
I think. They probably saw it too. Big Night. Fan of Waves. Dotler.
Mr. Man.
You're like cusping them to where you can't even see the writing.
Oh.
There you go.
They don't have to see the writing, they just gotta see the picture. The
Yeah,
art.
you can't see it over your fat hands. It's too bad.
I'm skinny, just for your information.
You are. Cubone. Reverse Hollow Mawile.
And they...
Ooh! Single Strike Energy Gold! That's a good one. Do you want to see that?
Yes. You can open your next...
This was Battle Styles, right? Yes.
Yes, since battle style.
That's a really good pull, honey. I'm gonna open my Vivid Voltage. Wow, that's a really good pull. Nice.
And we struck gold!
Yay!
Well, technically everybody that went gold digging, they're not the people that made the real money. The people that made the real money was the people that sold the shovels and picks.
I never thought of that.
What?
I never thought of that.
For what?
The fact that the gold, during the gold rush, everyone wanted to mine gold, but the people that were really making the money were the people that were selling the mining equipment. I never thought of that. Well, my husband just taught me something. That's rare. You don't have that much knowledge in that little head.
Oh, I've got a lot more than you think.
Energy.
You just never listen because your mouth is always moving.
Shh. Careless. Electric. Woobat. Charmander, Wooper, Meowth, Cottony, Reverse Hell Skiddo, and an Executor.
What's next? What's next? Ah, Sun and Moon.
Can we do a little like pause for a promo?
No.
Oh! I made this. Check out my Etsy for Pokemon card coasters. Links in the bio since my husband's struggling. There we go! I saw the Charmander and I thought about it because I just made the Charmander coaster.
But I said no.
Do I ever listen to what you say?
No.
Alright. Energy. Hey, I'm part of this show too, okay? Timer ball. What are you opening up? Sun and Moon? Oh, okay. Pinsir. Repel, which I could do to you. Surskit. Growlithe. Brawler. I'm getting dirty looks. Marini. Roggenrola. Shelter. Cosmion.
You're gonna go with Cosmion Live.
Battle Styles. To space? Sounds better than living here with you.
Do you know where the door is? Go enjoy the heat out there.
Ooh.
Yeah, that's what
Never
I
mind.
thought.
I like it right in here.
Exactly.
It's 110 degrees out. I'm not going outside.
Oh, big whoop.
Mean, mean, mean. Energy. Cacturn. Rapid Strike Energy. Experiencer. Timber. Corpfish. Cacnea. Mawile.
Spoink.
Reverse. Horsey. And a Drampa.
It's always a Drampa.
I think we need to move the camera up just slightly.
Battle Styles, Tyranitar.
Sorry, the camera was pointing a little up. Where we normally are at is too low. So, how to fix it? More battle styles. Woo woo!
What?
You're taking too long. Come on, I'm joking. Don't make them wait. They're gonna exit out of the video. Yeah. Look what you're doing. We're losing views, as you say here.
No.
Energy. Bisharp. Golbat. Energy Recycler.
Timber.
Glamio.
Kitty cat.
Geeky.
Snake.
Frillish. It's a jellyfish.
Are you sure?
What's a jellyfish?
Okay, it's a jelly.
Okay.
Squirrel.
Reverse hollow.
Squirrel.
Electric swirl.
Squirrel.
Cricket turn V full R. Wow. It's a cricket.
It's a cricket.
You're a cricket.
I know.
Oh, wow. Man, for once you're doing better than me.
I always do better than you.
Shh. You never do better than me.
I married you, so I'm doing better than you do.
Fair. I'm gonna take that as a compliment. I married you. Actually, I really like that card. It's got a mustache. It's a cricket with a mustache. Like you. Right now. Kinda. It's got a better mustache though.
So do you.
Alright, this is gonna be the last video that he's ever in.
Hey, you're the one that walked straight into that one. Don't blame me.
No, but look at his mustache. I was just. He's got a luxurious mustache. And At least I shave. Energy.
Oh.
Energy. Carkle. Dottler. Pignite. Galarian Mr. Mime. Scatterbug. Yamper. Licky Tongue. Zubat. Reverse Hollow Ball Toy. And a Colossal.
Hollow.
Hollow.
Hollow. Okay. Damn. Did you see that?
Yeah.
There was nothing and suddenly. Pff.
Oh, well, they're not going to see what you're talking about.
I know. It's because your phone is lagging.
I know, really bad.
We got Vivid.
Vivid voltage.
No.
Evolutions?
Yes, that one.
Do we each only get one evolution?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought we got two. Oh yeah, you did one Sun and Moon. I'm tired. Hey, it's a seal! It's not. Right? If it was me opening.
Okay, which side? Your code card was
Yeah.
this way.
So flip it. There's no consistency! Okay, just because you can't see it on your phone, on my phone, does not mean...
I keep on forgetting. 3.
I don't know, I think I did good.
Midorino.
Energy.
Energy.
Charizard.
Spirit Link. Seal. Magikarp.
Another energy.
Energy. Caterpie. Ghastly.
Reverse Hollow Poliwrath.
That's not bad. And a
Eradicate.
Rattata. It's a rat.
I want a rat. I have rats
Yeah.
in my freezer. The other day he comes to me because we just got a ball python recently. And the food for it is much bigger than my baby snake's food. And he comes to me and he's like, why is there a rat staring at me in my freezer?
Yeah, it's kind of disturbing.
It is. Why do you think I want a mini fridge? What was I opening again? Battle Styles. Again? More Battle Styles?
Got a lot of battle styles.
I've lost track at this point. Energy. Tower of Darkness. Girder. Durant.
Lickitung. Electabuzz.
Esper. Timber. Galarian Slowpoke. Conkeldurr. And an Egg Slash. Man, I'm doing terrible. What are you opening? You gotta show.
Vivid Voltage. Do I have to show them or do I have to show you?
Me. Mostly me. But them too. Oh, you're so sad.
Mm-hmm.
Good girl.
You're one to speak.
Did you just screw that all up?
No.
Okay, energy.
Energy.
Sirchester Bath.
It's not just a bath.
Galarian Stunfisk.
Pancake fish.
Galarian Pancake Fish. Coding Energy. Mudbray rolling in the mud.
Donkey.
He's having fun. Look at him.
Donkey.
He's gonna need a bath. Joltik. It's a jumping spider, by the way.
Okay, jumping spider.
No, jumping spider is actually really cute.
Worm.
Weedle. Taillow.
Bird.
Sandile.
Crocodile.
Yeah, cute one. Electros.
Snake.
Nope. Eel.
Real.
And a Tukini.
Tuki Tuki.
A Tuki Tuki.
Everybody who's seen the movie George of the Jungle will know where Tuki Tuki comes from.
Oh. I gotta be the last one to open my cinnamon.
Yes.
Last pack. Come on, I gotta get something. I haven't gotten anything in this video. We've gone all the good pulls, surprisingly.
I always get all the good pulls.
Yeah, did your nose just grow 10 feet?
No. I made a joke. It was a joke.
Yeah, it's a real good joke.
Not really.
You've still yet to pull a Zard. energy. I'm gonna hold that against you forever. Hypno, Potion, Spinda, Sandile, Alolan Rattata, Snubble, Makuhita, Cutiefly, Reverse Hollow Rare Candy, and a Decidueye. Man, I didn't get crap, but you got some really good pulls.
Yes.
Really good.
Like always. Alrighty guys. Finally, I got some better pulls than she got. Finally. I think it happened like maybe twice before.
Give or take. Because I'm just that awesome.
No, you're not. But anyway, hit the like button, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, and as always, stay weird, stay nerdy. See you on the next one.